So this is the Lenovo G50. To get inside these you just need to take this panel off. It's just 3 screws. Should give you access to everything, the hard drive and everything, or the SSD. So that's it. It slides forward, that does. Don't try and pull it straight up, it has to pull forward like that and then pops off. So there you go. Easy to access everything. So you got your SSD, your RAM, which are easy to get out, just pop each side. In fact, you really should take the battery out first. So, RAM memory, these ones are 4GB each. Then you got your fan that you can clean out. Your SSD, just 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just pulls away. And that is it really. It's like your Wi-Fi card, or Bluetooth or something. Speakers, easy to replace. So that's it, easy to get to, easy to upgrade.